What it do, what's up? It's your boy O'Shea, and today I'm gonna be doing a 2-strand twist out for you guys. The only product you're gonna be needing is 2 products only. It's this Aunt Jackie's Defining Curl Custard and a spray bottle. Alright. Yeah. Oh. The first thing you're gonna do is take your product. Wait, actually no. I'm tripping. Damn, that's crazy. Taking your spray bottle and you're just gonna be misting your hair. And it is warm water in this. You gotta use warm water so when you put the product in, it can penetrate through your hair and really get in there and moisturize it really good. So you're only gonna be getting it damp. You're not gonna get it wet. I do dry twist out sometimes too with just an oil, and then I just twist it when my hair is dry, and then it's gonna give you like that thought boy look that everybody wants. But this one, we want it to be nice and moisturized. All right, so now you're just gonna take your curl custard. You're gonna get like, let's see, like that much. I think that's a 1/4 amount. And then you're gonna rub that through your hair. And this is a old twist out. It was like 3 or 4 days old. And I just washed my hair right before I did this twist out. So I'm not gonna be washing it. I'm just gonna be spraying water and putting product and then twist it. Now you got the product in, I'm not gonna be sectioning it off because I don't have long hair. If I had my long hair still, I would section it off 4 sections like this, and then go like that, and then take this section, but I can't really do that because I'm gonna look dumb on camera trying to force my hand to a ponytail, so I'm not gonna do that. Yeah. So first what you're gonna take, just this small little section right here, and add product as needed because after a few, like while you're doing this, your hair might get a little dry. So just add product as needed. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna get up close so you can see the twist. Alright, split it into 2 sections like this. Make sure it's even. Oh shit. Like that. Alright. And then let me zoom it in actually. Alright, so like that. And then twist it. As you're twisting, make sure you pull this string down so it can get nice and elongated. And also go through it and like detangle while you're doing it. So you're beating 2 birds with 1 stone. You just go straight down. Like that. And then when you get to the end, bring your curl around your finger like that. To give it a nice little coil at the end. So now, you get this little twist right here. Boom, bada bang. Okay. Yes, sir. And then we're just gonna go and do the rest. The skinnier the twist, the more defined it's gonna be. The more defined the curl is gonna be. So keep that in mind. When you do big chunky twists, it's gonna be like a big chunky like curl. And when you're doing skinny twists, it's gonna be really defined in like a small curl. Thought you'd always be mine. Hoocha, it's hot in here. Oh my god, why so hot? Shit, my goodness. Oh my god. I need to take this off. It ain't working. Nah, it ain't working. All right, so we halfway done. I think just got this back section. And we gonna tackle it. You can see my twist looking real nice and shiny. And that's how you want it to be. Okay, period. Let's get it! Take some more product. You whole bitches know. You dirty bum bitches know. So I'm finally done twisting it. It took me like 30 minutes, I think. So now I'm gonna put a do-rag on it. You can either get a do-rag or a bonnet, it doesn't matter. But I just use a do-rag because I don't have a bonnet on me right now. I actually lost it. So yeah. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on like this. And make sure when you put it on, make it loose. Just like throw it on there real loose like that. Because you want it loose so when you wake up, your twist don't be looking all crazy and all flat and stuff, you know? So just put it on there loose like that. And then go above and tie it like that. Tie it at the top. Don't tie it down here like y'all usually do when you put a do-rag on when you got waves or something. We ain't got waves, we got curly hair. Just put it up here, tie it loosely. Bada boom, bada bang. If it's nighttime, you're just gonna go to sleep. But for me, it's only 3:32 p.m. So I'm gonna just go rock around the house, do something, eat, shit. So it's the next day. It is 3:21 p.m. I just cut my hair and I put the do-rag on it so it can keep it fresh. And after you take your do-rag off, you just shake it back in place. If you put it on loose, like I said, you can be able to just take it off and shake it right back in place. Alright, so now we're gonna get, you're gonna need an oil. I'm just gonna be using this organic coconut oil. You can get this from Walmart, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, any store close to you. You're just gonna take some, just a little bit on your finger. You're gonna rub it in your hands and on your fingertips. And then rub it in your hair. And this is just to fight the frizz from when you're taking it down so your hair don't be big and frizzy. We're just gonna go ahead and untwist the first one. Bada boom, bada bang. You know, let me know if y'all want a video on how I cut my hair. Let me just give y'all a quick look. Damn, shit. The back. You know? Yeah. I used to go to the barber all the time, but them motherfuckers, they be charging too much. Like, what? $20 for a haircut? The fuck? Every week or every 2 weeks? No, I'm good. Shit, it adds up. Ain't nobody got time to be spending. Ciao, bye. Alright, so they all are untwisted. Now what you gonna need is, hold on one second. Oh my god! What the fuck? Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in, we're gonna separate them. And don't over separate too unless you want like that big volumized look. You don't have to over separate, just like separate one time. And some of them you don't even have to separate at all. Because if you separate too much, it's gonna take away the curl pattern and you don't want that. And like me, I don't really mind frizz. Cause like I said, I like to be big. I like my hair real big and voluminous. So I don't really mind too much frizz. Hello, it's me. what was I doing? Now you're gonna take your pick and you're gonna pull up the hair like this. Hold on, pull up here like that. And you're just gonna boom, 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 boom. Just pick it up, and it's just to give it some volume. Make it look bigger. To make it look like it's not flat on your head, you know? And also, when you twisting your hair, you make that little part in the middle. Let me show y'all how to get rid of that. You just take the pick right smack down the middle. And boom. Boom, boom. Just like that. Bada boom, bada bang. Take your fingers and go like this. Just pull it out. Boom. You know, kind of play with it a little, you know? Alright. And boom, that's it. That's it. We needed 3 things plus 4. If you really want to include this. Just 3 things. And you can get some nice curly hair. Like who? What? Who you know? Come on now. Bada boom, bada bang. La da da. La da dee. Can y'all see that? You can see that? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I just like. Period. Cut the cameras. Alright, so y'all, that's it. You know, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all liked it, follow me on all my social media. Snapchat, Thenamesmalik. Instagram, it's O'Shea J. Stay tuned for the next video, because it's going to be epic. I'll see y'all later. Bye.